Hi, I'm Sue from Makeup is Graphics and welcome to my tutorial about how to add text to our graphics using Canva. I'm going to show you step by step how to open an Instagram template, upload one of our graphics and add your own text to create a post. If you don't have a Canva account yet, it's easy to sign up and I've included a link in the description below. And if you'd like to use any of the free graphics from our resource library, I've included the link for that also. Let's get designing. So here we are in Canva, and this is the home page that opens up once you've signed in. Now you'll see here there are different templates that Canva have already created for you, and for this example we're going to use an Instagram post. So we just click on the Instagram post and it will open for us with the correct sizing ready to go to create your first design. To upload a graphic in Canva, you just come across to the sidebar and click on Uploads, and then go to the blue button at the top that says Upload an image and find the image you want to upload from your file. We're going to use the heart graphic for this example, so just click on it and then drag the corners out so it fills the full size of the Instagram template and you're ready to start adding your text. Adding text is easy. You just come across to the sidebar again and click on the text icon, and that will open up a variety of options for you. There are some preset heading sizes already done, and there are also some font combinations, but to keep in line with your branding, I would just suggest using the presets. So click on Add a Heading, and then that will just appear on your graphic ready to add your own text. To customize the text, you just highlight the text box and then type in whatever it is you want to say. You can just click on the little handle on the side of the box to drag it out to fit the text in. And then you can also click and drag in the corners to increase or decrease the size of the text. If you come up to the menu bar, there are some preset sizes for the font, or you can just type in the size directly there according to what you want. To change the font, just come up to the menu bar and click on the font tab, and that will open up the whole range of fonts available to you. If you know the name of your font, you can just type it in and that will appear, so you can just easily click on it and that will then appear in your text box. If you move your text box and you see the pink horizontal or vertical lines appear, they're just there to show you how to line up your text box if that's what you want to do in your design. You can change the alignment of your text by coming up to the menu bar and clicking on the alignment tool. You can set it left, justified, set it right, or center the text. So just choose what suits your design and have a play around to see what works best. To change the colour of the text, come up to the text colour icon in the menu bar, and then you can come across to add a new colour. Click on the colour palette and then you can go through and decide what colour you want to add. You can also, if you know the hex code for your branding, you can just type that straight in and you'll know that you've got exactly the right colour for your branding. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please click the thumbs up button, subscribe and click the bell button so you get notified of new tutorials like this in the future. You can also visit my website at makeupizgraphics.com and follow me on Instagram at makeupizgraphics. I'd love to see you there. If you'd like to share your design, just tag me and use the hashtag #mymakeupizgraphics. I can't wait to see what you create.